Hi there all Sumerman video fans. I am back again with another very popular grandma's bedtime story, The Fox and the Grape, with its digitized version and how the story is related in today's digital world. To know this, be with me till the end, but before that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the bell icon. You can even like, share or comment on my video. These are on a series based popularly stories of grandmas which will be added with today's digital version so as to visualize it that how much the technology has helped everybody's day-to-day life and the technical aspects are fruitful to us or not. The Fox and the Grapes, grandma's older version. Once upon a time, a fox was very hungry and he was searching for food here and there in the forest but can't find anything properly to eat. Finally, the fox entered the vineyard and saw bunches of grapes hanging on the branches of the tree. The grapes hanging in bunches on the branches of the trees were very up. It was not possible for the fox to reach the grapes. But because he was hungry, he started trying hard to reach the grapes. The fox starts to jump to reach the grapes. It jumps again and again for many times but could not reach the grapes. Finally, the fox gets tired and says the grapes are sour in taste and it runs away. The Fox and the Grapes, grandma's digital vision. Now, in the present situation, every person is very hungry of success and wants to reach the utmost place very soon. Everybody is searching for success here and there in the world, but don't have a proper planning, organizing, a correct execution technique, and the most important is how to maintain the success. But they will enter this competitive world and start adoring all the successful persons who have already achieved success. The most important mistake which almost everyone commits is first, they will start comparing themselves with others. And second is, almost every person will see only the success of a successful person, but no one will see his level of planning, organizing, executing the plan, his patience, strength, activeness, and the success story behind his success will not even be noticed. Success is hanging in bunches in different fields and projects as different branches of a tree. It is also hanging up as grapes on the tree. As how it was not easy for the fox to reach the grapes, it is not easy and possible for all the humans to reach success faster and sooner. But because humans really want to achieve it, they also start jumping again and again. Few people may find the success, but others continue to try. By trying continuously in one single direction, finally those people gets tired and thinks the business idea is very sore and drop the idea of their business. Grandma's illusion. Nuske. First, the major mistake committed by every person is comparison. With whom are we going to compare ourselves? Semi. With the person who has already raised his standard of living by growing so many years in the business, or with the person who is in the same level as ours. If we compare ourselves with higher side, we feel inferior, and if we compare with the same colleague, then the growth will stop. 2. Let others do the comparison work. We should only focus on our work and every day raise our efforts to achieve our goals. 3. Just like a fox, how it was jumping again and again to reach the grapes, in the same way, we should also always try again and again to reach our destination. 4. If we are trying many times and not attaining the goal, then don't think it as sore and leave the work. Instead, make few changes in the work and again start from the beginning. 5. Positive visionary towards the goal will give you good results. Always remember one thing, you are hiding one unique talent in you. Just bring it out, scream loudly and stamp your signature. Moral of the story. The moral of the story is, it is always easy to give up or despise. But the real strength is built when we fight for it until we succeed in our goals. So never give up. Instead, we can find different ways or techniques to reach our motive. Start your day with new positive vibes and new ideas to achieve the target instead of changing your goals every day. So friends, this is the older version and the digitized version of the story, The Fox and the Grapes. Now let me ask you one question. What do you want in life? To get compared or to conquer your dreams? Well, if this question is asked to me, I will definitely say I want to conquer my dreams. And I know even you all want the same. So don't waste your time in getting compared. Just raise your standards, raise your efforts and conquer your dreams. If you have any query or question relating to the video, you can put it in the comment section. You can even like or share the video to others and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.